Welcome back to another FSD video. This is on version 14.2.1. For the majority of the video, it's just going to be sped up between these two drives from basically parking spot to parking spot for the two drives. However, there are actually two instances of disengagements that I wanted to talk about specifically. So I will go over those two slowly and normal speed, and then just enjoy the rest of the video where there's no disengagements and it'll all be sped up. So this first instance of a disengagement here is actually, it's a right turn out of the neighborhood. We do have a stop sign, and on the left there's actually a hill that cars come over pretty quick, usually about 55 miles per hour, and I had to disengage here because the car appeared to be attempting to go right here after this vehicle. It started to go, and I decided to disengage it. And that is because this red car that you'll see passing right there was coming up too quickly. And even though it probably wouldn't have resulted in a collision or anything like that, it probably would have resulted in them honking at us because they were definitely too close, in my opinion, to take that gap. Interestingly enough, there is actually another disengagement that is very similar. The same thing happened later on. The difference is, in this instance, I actually disengaged and decided to just drive more quickly than the car was probably going to go. So right here, it's kind of inching up, and then it kind of is non-committing to whether it's going to go or not. And it got far enough out there that it was actually kind of in the road. So I disengaged and I just sped up quickly as to avoid getting in the way of the car that was approaching us. Now in this case, we can't actually see the car that was approaching us, but it was the same scenario. So it's around a curve and taking a right turn. That is what seems to be a problem for FSD 14.2.1. I mean, I've seen that problem in other versions, earlier versions as well, but definitely this occurred twice in the same day. It is two separate drives, but it did occur twice. So it's something that they're definitely gonna have to work on. I just don't think it was a very appropriate maneuver to get out there in the road and then stop. I mean, either you've got to commit and go and actually punch it, or you've got to wait until there is a sufficient gap to do it more gently. I would prefer just waiting for the sufficient gap and going more smoothly. But unfortunately, in this case, FSD decided to kind of not commit either way, and it made it a very awkward situation where I felt that I had to disengage. Now, there was one other time that I did not capture on video recently where it was doing a U-turn, and I felt like that gap was not appropriate for sure because there was an oncoming vehicle and we were going to be definitely in their way. So it definitely should not have been trying to complete that U-turn in front of that vehicle. So just a few instances here. I just wanted to highlight some disengagements that I'm still having and I still believe are safety critical disengagements on FSD 14.2.1. So it's not perfect. We do use it all the time, and I try to use it 100%, but of course, you have to disengage sometimes. Most of the disengagements have just been for parking preferences and that sort of thing. So really, the majority of the time, we don't have disengagements, but I did want to highlight, at least on this video, that there were a couple instances here where there was a safety critical disengagement, and I think it's something that they're going to have to look into and fix. So anyway, that's it as far as my commentary. So enjoy the sped up version of the rest of the whole drives, and we'll catch you on the next one.